You are a fix and flip investor. The project needs financing now, and conventional lending was not built for how you work. At First Link Mortgage, here is how a bridge loan works. This program is built for acquisition and renovation. It finances the purchase and the rehab in a single loan. You pay only on what you draw during the rehab, not on the full loan amount up front. Financing goes up to 90% of the purchase price and 100% of rehab costs. For projects with 5 or more units, loan amounts go up to $10 million with no maximum unit count. There is no minimum FICO requirement, though FICO does affect maximum loan to value and loan to cost. A desk review option is available in place of a full appraisal. This product works best for fix and flip investors who need financing for acquisition and renovation projects. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Michael Hankerson by phone or text at 602-770-7205. Thanks, and have a great day.